Here's a script that meets all the requirements. The Roku Smart TV 55-inch is the ultimate centerpiece for your entertainment space, and I'm here to tell you why. Imagine having a powerfully simple streaming experience that transforms your home into an immersive world of brilliant 4K picture, rich Dolby Atmos audio, and an elegant design that complements any room. That's what this TV offers, and it's about to change the way you enjoy your favorite shows, movies, and games. But let's dive deeper into what makes this TV truly special. With its QLED screen, you'll experience bright, colorful picture that brings rich, accurate hues to life. You'll be amazed at how vivid highlights pop off the screen, while deep blacks create an almost three-dimensional depth. It's like having a piece of cinematic magic in your living room. But what about fast-paced action? The Roku Smart TV 55-inch delivers with its blazing fast 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for watching live sports and gaming. You'll notice every frame is razor-sharp, making the experience feel more immersive than ever before. Now, let's talk about picture perfection. Powered by AI, Roku Smart Picture Max optimizes your TV signals to ensure they look their best on this stunning display. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or a sporting event, the color and sharpness will be refined to perfection every single time. Gaming enthusiasts, rejoice! The Roku Smart TV 55-inch has got you covered with automatic game mode, FreeSync Premium Pro, ALLM, and VRR. You'll enjoy tear-free gaming that's as smooth as silk, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the action. And have you ever struggled with finding what you want on your TV? The Roku Smart TV 55-inch comes equipped with a smarter remote that's fully rechargeable with hands-free voice controls and backlit buttons. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your TV. But what about sound? The Roku Smart TV 55-inch boasts immersive Dolby Atmos audio that puts you right in the heart of the action. You'll feel like you're part of the scene, with room-filling sound that's simply breathtaking. Now, imagine creating the ultimate home theater experience with this TV at its core. With easy wireless upgrades for immersive surround sound and heart-pounding bass, you can transform your living space into a cinematic paradise. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to elevate your entertainment and take your viewing experience to new heights with the Roku Smart TV 55-inch. Trust me, you won't regret it.